Poppy OMG here, and I know this might sound weird, but I've been hearing some noises, and I thought I saw like some black silhouettes or something, like walking around, but I don't know, and I need some tips kind of, but if anything does happen, I will update you guys in the next video. And I don't really know what to do right now. And yeah, if you have any tips, that'd be great.